Hey guys, how you doing? I hope you are doing well. Welcome to the channel. So this video is how to change cooker element. So in this video we are using Indesit Cooker. Before you start to replace a faulty oven element, first you need to unplug the cooker or switch off the power at the mains to ensure safety. Then open the oven door and remove any shelves. Unscrew and remove the back panel inside the oven to access the element. So first of all, you need to bring out the oven to a place where you're able to see side of the oven. So open the oven door and remove any shelf. Unscrew and remove the back panel inside the oven to access the element. The element is usually secure with a couple of screws and connected to two wires. So another thing you need to do is you can take a photo of the wiring before disconnecting it, then carefully remove the wires, unscrew the old element and remove it. Then the next thing to do is you need to fit the new element, reconnect the wires as shown in your photo and screw it back into place. Then reattach the back panel, restore the power and test oven to make sure it heats correctly. Always refer to oven manual, and if unsure, consult a qualified appliance technician. So in this video, we're changing the element for Indesit oven cooker. can see the oven is working. This is the element. Oh, it's very hot. See the element. So yeah, you can see this is very hot now. What we did was we switched off the oven from the main socket, brought this out and unscrew the element from the back, then replace it, then yeah, and connect the wires and switch this back on. And see that it's working. I'm very much happy with it. So yeah, this is how to replace your oven elements. This is Indesit. Make sure you consult appliances technician. Thank you very much indeed. Yeah, so this is working.